This is how you're going to back up your N8n workflows. So step 1 is you're going to go to your dashboard. So from your N8n homepage, make sure you're on the workflows tab. You will see your list of workflows like my workflow right here. Now from here, you're going to open your workflow. So click on the name of the workflow. So for example, on my workflow, I'm just going to click on the name, and then this will open it in the editor view. Next is we're going to open the workflow menu. So in the top right corner of your workflow editor page, you will see a 3-dot menu right here. And then you're going to click on that, and then you will see the download or export option. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on export, or sometimes labeled as download right here. And this will download a .json file on your workflow. Step 5 is you're going to save your file. Just choose a safe place on your computer like Google Drive or Dropbox to keep this backup file. Now, later on, you can go back to the workflows tab and then click on import from file button. Usually at the top of the list, just select the .json file you saved. So just click on this, and then you can click on import from file to import this later on when you need it. And that's it. That is how you're going to back up N8n workflows. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.